Hey YouTube, I'm having some quiet time right now in my hotel room. So I said, why not read a book? So yeah, and today we're going to read Little Einstein's Rocket's Hiccups. Written by Susan Americaner, illustrated by Anna Okabe. Today, Rocket is going to fly in the Great Sky Race. Rocket will win, says Annie. Hiccup! Something is wrong with Rocket. Hiccup! Uh-oh, says Leo. Oh no, says June. He can't race with hiccups. To fix Rocket's hiccups, says Quincy, we have to surprise him. We have a mission, Leo shouts. We will surprise Rocket to stop his hiccups. How can the little Einstein surprise Rocket? They go to Orchestra Ocean to get some cymbals. Do you see cymbals? There's some cymbals. Quincy hides behind Rocket. He claps his hands together. Crash! Rocket jumps up. Are his hiccups gone? Let's see if they're gone. Hiccup! Rocket still has hiccups. June has another plan. They fly to a tropical jungle that looks like a famous painting by Henry Rossio. I think that's how you pronounce it. June asks a tiger to roar at Rocket. Roar, roar, goes the tiger. Hiccup, hiccup, goes Rocket. We had a surprise, says Annie. Do you see something that might surprise Rocket? Squeak, goes the little mouse. Zoom, goes Rocket. Way up in the air. June says, that little mouse was a big surprise for Rocket. No more hiccups. Let's go to the race, yells Leo. Go, Rocket! At the race, Rocket flies past a helicopter. He passes Big Jet. Can you clap your hands to make Rocket go faster? That's it! Go, Rocket, go! You helped Rocket win the Great Sky Race. Thanks, says Leo. Mission completion! Well, that was a great story. And I'm gonna say for this video that read aloud completed.